Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk about class in JavaScript. What is class? Class is like a blueprint or is like a template for creating object in JavaScript. We can organize our code inside the class and we can use it over and over again whenever we want it. Now let's write our class. When you want to create a class, first of all you have to write class. After that, you can choose a name for your class. For example, I choose car. Okay. After that, brackets. Now our class is created. Now let's write the property. Okay. The first thing I want to write is the name of my car. The name of my car is Toyota. After that, I want to write my car model. Okay. My car model is 2007. Okay. Now I want to access it in my JavaScript, but I cannot access it directly. First of all, I have to make the object of this class. Whenever you create class, for accessing the property of inside the class, first of all, you have to make the object of that class. After that, you can access it. How you can make the object of this? For creating object, I want to make a variable and I want to store my object inside this variable. You can write new after that your class name, car, parentheses, and close. Now you can access console.log. Inside of this, I want to see my class name, my car name. You can access it like this, x dot. Now you can access model or name. I want to see the name and close. Now let's see, let's go to the console. It shows the name of my car. If you want to see the model of my car, you can access it like this. Console.log your object name. After that, dot your property model. Now let's see. Look, my car name. Okay, now let's know about constructor. What is constructor? First of all, let's write that. Class car brackets. Inside the brackets, the first function should be constructor. Constructor brackets and parentheses and brackets. Look, it looks like function, you know? What is constructor inside the class? Constructor is the first function that will be executed when you create the object. Just like this. Look, for example, I want to write something here, console.log, and I want to write hello from simple code. Okay, now I want to make the object of this class. Let's save this class inside this variable, new car. And now let's see console.log x. Okay, look, the first function executed is constructor. This is constructor. Okay, and now I wanna make two variable and specify this two variable with my constructor function. This called getter and setter. Now I wanna add two parameter to my constructor. Okay. The first parameter I want to add name, and the second parameter I want to add model. Okay, name and model. And now I want to specify this two variable with this two parameter. If you want to specify this two variable with this two parameter, first of all you have to write this. After that, dot name. What does it mean? It means that you take the name from inside of this class. It takes this variable by the name of name, and after that you should specify this name with this parameter like this. This dot model mean you have to take the model from inside of this class and specify this to this parameter, to model parameter, like this. Now let's make another function that show the result of this, you know? Info, this is my another function and it should return something. Let's write this dot name concatenation. Let's write is my car name and my car model is, let's add concatenation, this dot model, like this. Now let's call this function, and now let's access to this function and specify something with this parameter and with this parameter. When I create my object, after that I want to add a parameter. The first parameter should be BMV, and the second parameter is my car model is 2026. Okay, 226. Now let's call this console.log. Inside of this, my object name dot my function name and parentheses. Now let's close and see. Look, BMV is my car name and my car model is 2026. Like this, just easy. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. For example, I want to change this now into Toyota. Now let's see. Toyota is my car name and my car model is 2026. 226. Class is a template for creating object, and by class you can organize your code, and whenever you want you can access to your code. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.